Really gonna fit the stereotype of a druggie. Not just because I have fibromyalgia, because I'm young and now I have purple hair, you guys. Just watch those trolls in the comments. I'm sure I'm gonna get a couple more. Hey you, it's Evie. You guys, I don't know how I did not make this video before. We have over 200 videos here just based on chronic illnesses, so I don't know how I'm just now finally making this, but I am now. So, shut up. Is there a generic medicine yet for Lyrica? No. There was supposed to be in January, but for some reason there isn't yet. Let me tell you a few things, okay? I have a laptop here so I don't forget. Okay, so the company that makes Lyrica is called Fitzer, something like that. I'm going to call it Fitzer. Now, I'm already, Sanders outside with the girls. I'm planning a video sharing with you guys ways that I found to save on prescriptions. And I've done this for quite a few spoonies. Because let's be real here, the FDA approved meds that are meant for that are supposed to be meant for fibromyalgia, they're expensive as hell. I don't know how people... The Butrans patch that I wear, $500 for 2 patches, and that's only good for 2 weeks. I don't know how we're supposed to get that. Anyway, there's currently no equivalent version of Lyrica available in the United States, and they warn on there that you may see some kind of advertisements because fraudulent pharmacies online, so you got to be careful and make sure they're legit. For those of you that have bought prescriptions online, you gotta be so careful. It could be counterfeit and could potentially be unsafe, as they said on there. Lupin, L-U-P-I-N, is a medicine that has been approved, but it hasn't launched yet. So I have to keep blockbuster franchises alive in the face of generic competition. Drug makers often roll out new, more convenient versions that can inspire patients to stick with the brand. The Fitzer representative didn't say whether the drug maker believes currently Lyrica patients would switch to Lyrica, but said in a statement that the med was developing to offer patients an effective treatment option with convenience of 1 daily dosing. So that's what the Lyrica CR is. Lyrica is for tons of things. It's for like the diabetic neuropathy, you know, that really painful nerve pain, the nerve, fibromyalgia, I believe also seizures. Did you guys know this medication generated over $3 billion in the US last year over the year before? And what's helping them really reach all this money? They go and post it on our TV, so the patients know so much about it, and they want to go talk to their doctor because they're desperate, they're in pain, and that's making their sales go up. Obviously, who knows? Maybe they want to keep this going, so people are losing their homes and everything just to pay for their damn medicines. Who knows? Okay, so what can we do about it, you guys? You can contact Fitzer. I will put their website, I'll put their link down below, and I'll put their phone number for you. You can write them, you can call them, and say, hey, what kind of programs you got? I can't afford my medicine. And I believe they might have a form on there you could fill out. It'll tell you if you qualify or not, you know, based on income and stuff. I will make a video soon. Once I feel I got enough helpful information, I'll share with you guys other ways to save on your prescriptions. Not just this one, okay? And then other medications that are like Lyrica. Again, you guys know I'm not a doctor. And everybody's body is different, and everyone's going to respond differently to different medications. So you can't compare one person to the next. But Cymbalta, Savella, something like that. I'll share everything in the description box down below, you guys. It's right next to the title. You just click on the little arrow pointing down. Click on that and all the information will come down there. I have all my contact information in there too, and whatever else that's extra for the video. I hope you found this helpful. If you're new here, I'd love for you to join our Spoonie family. All you gotta do is subscribe and come say hi. We have so many awesome people in here, They're going to understand you. This is our safe zone. Every now and then we get a couple trolls, but what do you do? You have invisible chronic illness. I'm sure you've dealt with a couple trolls. Alright, love you guys. I'm going to go. The kids are so loud. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're doing alright. If not, hang in there. And I will see you in the next video. Come talk to me in the comment section down below. Alright, bye-bye.